Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I love saying things and I'm super glad that you're here today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Down below, ring that bell so you get notified for when my next event, live stream, or, collab is coming up. You want to know what's going on because it's so much fun here. And today we are unboxing the December Allure Beauty Box. Let's get this tape that I've avoided all spoilers in unboxings of this because I like to be surprised, and I saw some things that even in the thumbnail was not the greatest. So let's see. And I like to be a little sarcastic with this box because the thing is the items inside it's a beautiful eye. I like that chunky. That's really beautiful. But the items are the descriptions are from editors from Allure. And sometimes what they say is super cheesy. So I like to take it with a little wink and a little bit of salt. Take it with a grain of salt. That kind of thing. So let's see what we have in here. And this is supposed to be the $23 box that used to be $15. I subscribed for it for $15 a month for a year subscription. And we'll see how this one is. Last time it was pretty good. So let's see what we've got in here. And it says, hello hibernation. And it talks about being a hermit, blah, blah, blah. We all know about that. It looks like we have, one of the first things in here is a palette from Ciate, London. We'll do a value of this box also. And this is a $24 palette. And it looks nice and neutral. And it is the Ciate London Trend Edit palette. Oh my gosh, this is hard to open. There we go. And it says, do I love coppers, deep reds, and spicy browns? I know I do. Let's see if I can get this out of the box. Yes, I do. Do I already have enough of these colors in my collections? Also, yes. Also, yes. But this Ciate London palette is worth adding to my stable. For me, the key is a good palette is options. If I leave they're saying that they would take this on a trip. Oh, this is pretty. I'm not gonna give this palette any grief because that is really pretty. Look at that. That's really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or give it away, but $23 box. First thing is a $24 palette, which is not a bad palette, so it pays for it right off the bat. But this Ciate palette gives the browns, and it's creamy and rich, and it doesn't take up too much space in your makeup bag, and it's got a mirror, so ooh. So not terrible. A pretty decent palette. Not bad so far. Let's see, because there's supposed to be 3 full-size items in here as part of the new deal. The next is from Beauty Loot. Oh, this is awfully nice little bag for this, and it says, thank you. We hope you enjoy this special gift. This is totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing how much we appreciate you as a loyal member. Aw. And it is a lip Maestro from Giorgio Armani, and it is Smurf size. And let's see, I'm sure it's the same color as on the box. Oh, that's nice. It's a pretty little color, and that would be great in a giveaway. So look forward to that coming to a bag near you, because I love to give things away. And that was just a bonus. And we still have 5 things in the box, so pretty good so far. The next thing is from Medmasky. And this is a Leave Me On Winter mask. And oh, this is nice. So the editor says, I used to think the only appropriate public place to apply a mask was in an airplane. But this transparent mud masky cream is undetectable. It's undetectable. They won't clock you. I like to mix it with a few drops of hyaluronic serum before generously spreading this mask over my face. The cream has a white appearance, but as soon as it touches your face, it disappears completely. And it leaves no residue, does not pill. It's got a bunch of oils, jojoba and argan, or a couple of them, and soybean. It's got lots of vitamin E. And let's see, this is full size would be $45.85, but I don't know if this is a full size. I think it is a full size because it's 1.35 ounces. So we're gonna call that $46. So far we're at $70 for the box. So that's nice. But I think it's full size. So that's 2 full-size items. Oh, let's see, what's next? Next is the Caudalie Vino Source SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. And this person wrote this in October, so they don't know anything about what's happening at this point. So it's nice that they included this in the December box from October. So it says the one thing you can count on is dry skin. So they use the Caudalie SOS serum to combat cold wind and low humidity. And it promises moisture over everything else. And that's key when her skin starts to look red and flaky. Nobody likes red flaky. And it's got hyaluronic olive squalene and organic grape water. And there are no exfoliants. It's gentle enough to use twice a day, almost lightweight as an essence, and absorbs very quickly. Immediately after applying, her skin looks glowy and feels bouncy as if she's been getting 8 hours of sleep and as many cups of water. $49. This is not a full size, but it's a decent sample size for a serum. So let's just call that 50 cents. Because that's 10 milliliters. And the full size is in a little bottle like that. Next up is the tiniest thing from La Roche-Posay. It is the Retinol B3 Serum. 8+ months of social distancing does strange things to you. Yes, it does. It does. Especially to your psyche. And our skin is a reflection of our state of mind. And now this person's skin is ultra sensitive, as are we all, I think, at this time of year. Everybody's a little sensitive around the holidays. And after 2 weeks, her skin was noticeably brighter. And after week 3, she felt like logging into Zoom makeup free. $39 for a full size. So we'll call this 50 cents. And it is teeny tiny. You can barely read the stuff on it. But, you know, that is obviously not a full-size item. But the next thing I have here is a full-size item. And this is the Buy Me My Beauty brand black liquid eyeliner. And that is one thing you can count on subscription box for, is black liquid eyeliner. You can never have too many black liquid eyeliners, or can you? Good question. And a sharp black eyeliner wing has always been her defense against the world. Me and the mascara and eyeliner against the world, watch out. And she's tested many formulas, but Buy Me's black liquid eyeliner is on her star roster. Star. And the liner itself has a wet feeling, so it glides across the skin and dries down super quick. Felt tip applicator is on the stiffer side, providing the right amount of control and flexibility, because you don't want to have a wobbly point on one of these things, because you do want precision. And if you're a wingline veteran or still learning the ropes, this pigmented lighter pen will likely end up on your wish list. $22. So that puts the box at $92 so far. And then this is like free, and there's an ad for the back, on the back for this. And this is a little Cetaphil Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. So we had 2 bonus items in here. We had the little lippy, the really little lippy, and we have the Cetaphil. And Cetaphil is really good quality skincare, and it is #1 dermatologist recommended. And this is good for replenishing dry, sensitive skin for 48 hours. And this is a nice little sample for that. So not too bad. So for $23, we got 2 small samples. I'm sorry. Those were free bonus samples. A small sample, a decent size sample, a full size face treatment, a palette, and an eyeliner. And for $23, it's a $93 value. Not bad. It's not crap. It's not crap. But do I think it's worth $23? I don't know. I mean, yeah, you get your money's worth from the retail value. But, I mean, this palette is nice, but I wouldn't really reach for it because I have some other palettes the same. And I've got like a million black eyeliners. This winter mask could be nice. I should try it out. But it's just okay. They didn't blow me out of the water. It's all right. It's fine. But for $23, I think it should be more than fine. But I think this one's pretty okay. I'm pretty wishy-washy on it. But, you know, for some people who don't have like a big collection of makeup like I do, they'll be thrilled to get this palette and the eyeliner and the leave-on winter mask, you know. So for people with a smaller collection, this is a great box. But for people like me who have a ton of stuff everywhere, they just can hardly get through it. It's just okay. So it just depends on your perspective. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.